This video will review how to utilize the copy submission function in ePermitting. We will be demonstrating this using an external testing account. Once you log into your account, you will be navigated to your dashboard here. If you have multiple sites associated with your account, you will see all displayed in the top left site menu. Click the drop-down menu beside all. Select a site you wish to use to copy a submission. For example, if you are submitting applications for a subdivision, you will want to select a site for which you have already submitted an application. Once you have selected the appropriate site, select Submissions from the menu on the left. This will display all submissions associated with this site. If you do not see any submissions listed, make sure you have the filter set to show all submissions. Once you see the submission you want to copy, click the ellipses, the three dots on the right side. Copy submission will display. A pop-up will display asking you to select a site. It will default to the site you are currently working on. Click the drop-down menu and select the Create New Site option. Enter an appropriate new site name. For today's video, we'll be using the site name Test Subdivision Lot 2. You will now be navigated to the on-site wastewater septic tank application. Click Begin Form Entry. This form will pre-fill with information from the submission you've copied. Change any form answers as necessary. At a minimum, make sure the site address and tax map number reflect that of the newly created site. We will now navigate through the sections of the form, changing information as necessary. You will need to change the site name in the application to reflect the name of the new site. So it is a good idea to make a note of the site name somewhere for reference when you create it. Update the site address, site physical location, and tax map number as necessary. Also, if you do not have an assigned 911 address, you can always type in the nearest address and you can pinpoint it to your site location. And as you can see, the site coordinates populated for you, and this is also the opportunity for you to correct your tax map number. Progress through each section of the form, ensuring that all questions have been answered appropriately. You will need to upload a site plan and plat or deed for the new site. We're now going to proceed with the pre-submission checklist. This is just to verify that your site is prepared for the evaluation. Once you are done, review the form and click Certify and Submit. You will be prompted to pay the fee. For the sake of this video, we are going to omit that step. Once you have paid the fee or generated an invoice for submitting a payment by mail, you will be navigated to the dashboard. If you select Go to ePermitting Home. From there, you will see the newly created site if you selected the drop-down in the site menu at the top left. You can select the site and the newly submitted application will show up on your dashboard under In Process. You can repeat these steps as necessary if you are submitting applications for multiple lots within a development or subdivision. Should you have any questions or need additional help, our contact information will be included at the conclusion of this video. Thank you for watching.